Welcome back everybody. So this week's video is some lovebirds, a Valentine's Day project. So we've got a piece of ash on the lathe here, and we're going to start by turning it round with a mid-size finisher from Easy Wood Tools. Switching it out to the mid-size rougher. And we're just going to make a tenon here and a detailer there just to match the angles of the jaws of the chuck. There's an aching in my heart, all the questions that I've got. Alright, so we've got it spun round in the chuck now, and we're going to take the mid-size finisher once again, and we're going to start shaping the body of the birds. So we actually do 2 of these, but I actually only show making 1 of them. As I say once again, this is the body. Just taking out some ridges there with the mid-size rougher. There's the number 1 follower. Taking away the tailstock there. Taking away that little bit at the end there with the number 1 hollower. Taking it down to a point. The tail. And bringing down the, I guess you'd call it the belly of the stomach. And just refining it a bit more with the mid-sized detailer. Bringing down the belly to a point, and there we go. So I've already done most of the sanding with this, so we're just going to do some sanding with 240 Grit Here from Spore Abrasives. Give it a quick clean off with some methylated spirits or denatured alcohol. Some sanding sealer from Hampshire Sheen. Some Yorkshire Grit abrasive paste. You can get some of this from Northside Custom Crafts if you're in the USA, or Axminster Tools if you are in the UK. There are links down below. Okay. Very nice. And some Hampshire Sheen original luster. There is also links to all of the Hampshire Sheen products used in this video down below. Just wiping it all over nice and slowly. Just wait for the vapours to evaporate and then just buff it in. Be careful not to push in too hard, you don't want to wipe off all of the wax that you just put on. There you go. Okay, now we're just going to part it off. So we've got the Easy Wood Tools parting tool here. Alright, so now we are going to do the heads of the birds now. So we're going to start by making the wood round, once again using the mid-size finisher. And onto the rougher. Done there. Okay, so now we're just marking out where we want the heads to be. Alright, there we go. And then we're going to get to start shaping. Starting off with the mid-size finisher. I didn't want to go for the perfect sphere shape for the heads. So actually, the reason they're called lovebirds is because they look like they are kissing. Alright, there you go. Once again, already done most of the sanding, so just sanding up to 240 grit here. Your desire in what you can't control. We fly. Once again, methylated spirits. We might be lost, but not forever. Some sanding sealer. And some Yorkshire Grit abrasive paste. There's things in life you simply need to know. But sun and rain and trust in letting go. Buff it on until you get a clean paper towel and you've got the equivalent of around about 1,000 grit. Sleepless nights and wandering before you make it safely to the end. The end. Don't say you're a dick. And some Hampshire Sheen finishing wax. Don't wish for indifference. You're not one of those. We fall. Once again, nice and slowly, making sure you get nice even coverage. It all, we get a little wiser. Let the fumes evaporate. And then buff it in, build up the heat, not cooking too hard. It takes a bit of suffering, sleepless nights and wandering before you make it safely to the end, the end. And if you ever wonder, there is nothing wrong with a little thunder. There's things in life you simply
there we go.
Sun and rain and trust in letting go.
Alright, so now we're just going to finish it off now by taking that little nubbin off the end. I do some final hand sanding off camera, and now we're just going to part it off.
It takes a bit of suffering, sleepless nights and wandering before you make it safely to the end. There you go. There's the flush cut saw. Take it the last few steps. There will be some pictures at the end. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Show it your friends, show it your family, show it your enemies if you like. And until the next week's video, I shall see you then. Bye bye for now.